There's a couple blue jays messing with the pup again. This is where she jumps in the... She went all the way in one of my springs. It's over here. You gonna go all the way in this time? Kind of chilly out here. It's not cold though. It's actually fairly warm today. I have to get a video of that. It's down in there. You can kind of see it sparkling right there. But there's a little pond, more or less, in there. And she splashed down in it last night. There she goes. Almost. She's right on it. There's part of it right there. You just can't really see it too good. You're not going to go swimming, huh? She goes, that was an accident. But Dad, I was running and then I was swimming. Let's go, creature. Let's go, creature. And quite a bit of water gone. Tiny little waterfall. Oh no, watch out, here it comes. Many a legend walked in this very spot, little black dog. Let's see what kind of pit bull speed she can set. Oh, that was cruising. That wasn't even running. What are you doing? That wasn't even running. Oh, that's why she had to poop. My bad. Sorry.